Tell me about kind of what the nurses and the volunteers have been doing here for the past couple days, and how many people have been at the shelter.
From what my perspective is, I've only been working the days and the evenings. We've seen between 60 and probably 100 people coming and going. About 60 or more are spending the night. We have a group of nurses that are doing 24-hour shifts. We're breaking it up, and we're helping the public with bathroom care, toileting, assisting with their oxygen, their meals, anything they really would like us to do. Call home if need be. We're here for them, and some of them are very disabled and need nursing assistance. There's also a food line. They're getting breakfast, lunch, and dinner, hot meals and cold meals, so there's plenty for everybody. And young families too are coming in and out, using the showers. Showers are a big thing, especially for the younger group. The elderly, I'm not going to say they're in the shower as much as the young people that are coming through.
Great.